Again, it's gonna open at 9. And good thing is that near every water fun they had like security guards, or you can say lifeguards. That's the play area I was talking about. You can see machines where you can pay and play. All right, so yes, nice tour. And that tubing, let me just zoom in. That was very fun. You go all the way up, then come through the tunnels all the way down, and even adults, kids, all can enjoy. Park is closed, but this casino is open. As you can see now, they have a lot of casinos there you can play. Especially kids enjoy a lot, but these are not free. You need to pay. You can go to the counter and collect the coins, or you can say tokens, and that you can use to play. They have a restaurant also inside, and they have a shop also here that you can use. Water park is closed, but this area is still open, and they provide towels too when you do. Okay, I can give you the better look of the water park now, although it's closed. Yeah, from here you can see. So that's the tubing that I had used, and I really loved it. Okay, and there's some sitting area. People sit there. They have like changing rooms, lockers, these facilities, but I won't go in, although it's closed. But I don't want to go to those areas. And washrooms also. Okay.